Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to Heat Pumps, brought to you by Endless Energy, your mass-safe heat pump leader. Do heat pumps really work in a Massachusetts winter? If you've heard heat pumps don't work when it's freezing outside, you're thinking of old technology. Today's cold climate heat pumps are built specifically for Marlborough and all of Massachusetts. Modern heat pumps are designed to operate in temperatures well below freezing and maintain powerful, consistent heat even when it drops into the single digits. That means no oil deliveries, no combustion, no fluctuating temperatures, just steady, efficient comfort. Heat pumps provide ultra-high efficiencies because they don't create heat, they transfer it. Even in cold air, there's still heat energy available. Advanced inverter technology allows today's systems to extract the heat and deliver it efficiently inside your home. The result? Lower operating costs, cleaner indoor air, and year-round heating and cooling in one system. The key to maximizing comfort is to make sure to hire the right heat pump installation company. Endless Energy is proud to be a mass-safe heat pump leader, based in Marlborough with additional locations in Needham and Randolph, Massachusetts. Schedule your no-cost home energy assessment today. You may qualify for mass-save rebates and financing options too. Call 508-501-9990 today.